Hi and welcome to Knit with Hannah. I'm Hannah, I'm here with Knitting Natter to help you learn to knit the easy way. Well, what are we doing today? We have a finished hat, an almost finished hat, and we have a pom-pom. And what I'm going to do today is show you how I sew a pom-pom to the top of a hat. It may seem simple, but if you're a knitter but you haven't done much sewing in the past, then it's something that you'll certainly want to learn as a skill so that you can repeat it over and over again. So I always use a tapestry needle when I'm sewing. I have the tapestry needle which has a blunt end so that I don't pierce the yarn as I'm sewing. You can find these, they will be sold as tapestry needles or they will be sold as knitter's sewing needle. Okay, so that's that. What I have done is thread the long end that comes from the pom-pom onto my needle. That's all ready to go. And I'm going to find the top of this hat. Now, if you can just see, there's a round of stitches there. That is where I finished knitting, and I followed the instruction, which was cut yarn and thread through remaining stitches. It's as simple as that. That is that little round there. That's the final stitches that were on the needle, and I've just gone through those with the remaining thread. So I need to know where that is. That's the top of the hat. And you can see this pom-pom isn't brilliantly round. It's more of a rustic pom-pom. What I needed so I could sew this to the top of the hat is some kind of flat end to it. So it's going to sit there quite happily and not be squashed as soon as I start sewing it to the hat. I need to be able to get to this area here. Now this is the other part that we need to identify. It's this bit here. It's where the thread has gone around the strands of the pom-pom. That's what I'm going to be sewing through, that bit there. So the first stitch is going to go through the top of that hat there. I'm going to just take one stitch through there, and I'm going to alternate between stitching through there and stitching through here, just one stitch at a time. There you go, that's it, that's made it tight, it's brought it together, and I'm going to continue to do that. One stitch through here, tighten it as I go, and then another stitch through the centre of that pom-pom where it was created. Actually, when I do this kind of thing, I almost close my eyes so I can feel it rather than see it. So I'm going through the centre of the pom-pom, through the threads that brought all those strands together. And now I'm going to choose a different direction to go through the hat. I'm going to just go through almost like it's a cross. I went through it one direction, now I'm going to go through it in another direction. So I'm going to go through the top of the hat that way. Make sure I don't have any of these strands caught up in that thread there. I can just tighten that up. And then I'm going to go through the centre of the pom-pom again. There we go. Tighten that, and then find the centre of the hat, the top of the hat, and go through there. It's just taking your time really, because you could do this in a rush and not actually take much of either side inside the needles, but you need to have as much of the yarn on your side as possible. There you go, I just went through one of those strands there, but I'm just going to do this a few more times just to make sure that it is secure. Through the hat, there we go, that's it. I'm going to now go into the hat, so I'm going to put the needle into the hat and find it on the inside. There it is, and I will now secure this thread here, and that just means doing the same thing again. I'm going to go through a couple of those stitches at the top, and just move my needle through that loop there, just a bit more security so I don't lose it. And then I'll just wind that into a few stitches and then just weave that through the seam a little bit so that it doesn't unravel, and we've got that secure at the top. There we go. So I'm picking up my needle and I'll just cut that there because that's finished. That is it. That is the pom on the top of the hat. That's ready to wear. Finished. Okay, well, thank you so much for joining me. That's it for today. I will see you again soon, I hope. If you like the look of this hat, it's one of the patterns from my pattern shop. You can find that on knitwithhannah.co.uk/patterns. It'll be there under the boys to men section. It's one of my favourite hats that I've created actually. I love the way that we see what would normally be called the wrong side of the knitting. We see it on the outside, and we see that feature there as we change colours. That makes it just that little bit different. Okay, thank you so much for joining me. I will see you again soon. Bye for now. Happy knitting.